on the second day of our trip down from Virginia to Port Canaveral, and we had to stop by Buc-ee's and get a little bit of a snack for the road. This is our second trip, and we stopped in St. Augustine.
Plenty to look at. Home decor, shirts, clothing for anyone of any age. We stopped at both stores, St. Augustine and Daytona Beach, coming and going.
Oh, okay. Here's my.
Here at CME Traveling, we will forever link Buc-ee's to cruising. Excited that in May for our cruise down in Florida, I get to stop in Florence, South Carolina, where we get on 95 at the new Buc-ee's.
Hey guys, we just got our Buc-ee's fix. So we decided to stop at St. Augustine and pick up a few items for the road. Check out our stash. So we have some Buc-ee's nuggets. If you notice, there's 2 bags because last time we fought over them. And then we got 3 sandwiches to kind of share and try together. Sausage and egg and cheese croissant, a fried chicken sandwich, a chopped brisket sandwich, and some beaver tots. And of course, Kurt and I got 2 t-shirts, which you will either see before or after this video. You'll see them on the cruise. So we will try our delicious sandwiches here in a few minutes. Hey guys, so I am back to tell you our review of the 3 sandwiches we had. We had a brisket, and we had the chicken fillet sandwich and the sausage, egg, and cheese sandwich. And I can tell you that we really enjoyed the brisket sandwich. I highly recommend it. We were not fans of the chicken sandwich. It had a Thousand Isles sauce on it that did not quite taste well with the chicken. And the sausage, egg, and cheese croissant kind of tasted bland. It didn't really have a lot of flavor. So we highly recommend the chopped brisket sandwich. And if you like Thousand Isle dressing on your chicken sandwich, then go for that. And we definitely recommend the flavor of the Buc-ee tots. They were delicious. Talk to you soon.
Yeah, this is Beachside Hotel and Suites. Today's December 3rd. We just came down an extra day early. We already had this reserved for tomorrow, Saturday, from the 4th to the 5th, and we sell out on the 5th. And we stayed here back in 2019, and they have redone everything, updated, and it's a suite. Very nice. And you can see right here about where it's at. That's for the pool. They have a restaurant, a bar. Yeah, pretty nice. Yeah, so there's hooks here to, I guess, to hang your towels, or I can't imagine you really needing a jacket or anything.
So when we booked the hotel room, we received a $20 credit to eat at Duck Dive, which is a little restaurant here at the hotel, and they have everything from, like, you know, barbecue, soft pretzels, wings, chicken sandwiches, beef tacos, shrimp tacos, that kind of stuff, and you have up to $20 to use on it.
Giving us a thumbs up, you are showing us and YouTube, we can keep you engaged with the content of our videos. And safe travels.